Hey everyone, it's Johan. We're at the April 27th workday at the Flakpanzer restoration project, and we're going to talk about what you can expect to see in this video. So Dave, what did we accomplish today?
So today, race ring, we did electrolysis today. It was, because we got to get it, the ball bearings out and everything else. So we had a swimming pool. It was a little funky. First time trying this. We've looked up the videos, read the stuff on it, put it in a pool, put it there, hooked up the wires. It looked like Frankenstein there for a bit. But yeah, we started. It worked out fairly well. Some things that we got to know that we got to do. We actually got to get a smaller hard plastic pool or build one for us. We need something about just 8 feet in diameter, and so that we can go about 12 inches deep total. That way it'll control everything in a bit more concentrated mixture with the electricity flowing through. Head it off on the grass, again, because you can't do this in the house and do it because it gives off hydrogen gas.
Right.